Hello, my listeners. Today we're to the VHS with WIKI SANSES by Revolver and begin. What do you mean it's at 1080p? This is pixelated as it gets. Usually it's me tapping judgment. All that's in an abandoned factory. I had you to judge someone. So, why did you call me to come here?
Stop it! That's enough, little girl!
God damn it. Time, little friend. What are you talking about? It's time to finally see who's the strongest. What? Are you serious? I'm always serious, my friend. You're so strange. Usually always you acting weird, bro. Why am I chuckle all of a sudden? I've always wondered who is the strongest. That's the reason. H. If that also proves very quickly. Well then, I guess I'll be sure. I hope they know your choice. If we did, you better don't hold off your true potential. If we did. Turkey versus HSF. Regular bone attack technique. Kinetic energy. Those things don't have. As these guys have it, and then Nightmare tentacles. Bone and bone action. Wait, that sounded gay. You're a very tough opponent, Z. You're perfect. Now let me smuggle that boat. Oh. You know, this place isn't exactly things for extreme fights like this. Oh, suggesting something, Z? Maybe something snowy? Like the liquid out of your big white... It's snow time, alright? Hey, puns. Damn, Revolver put up the animation. Blue attack. Feeling the shield yet? I don't know. Getting serious, are we? I think it's time to make swift moves from now on. Spiky ball. Pump is cut. So full of fury. Twice. Yes. Both are creepy in the forms. The show is getting pretty chilly. I guess we should make this quick. Hack time. Beans. Just simple dodges, I see. Oh, did ninja hand sign from Naruto. Why does every year about end with jazz thing? It's just an effort to keep it that way. Such an effort. Well, an effort to Japan. I guess I have no other choice. Here's some bones then. To keep it around, it's grasping worse. Oh, you're just getting started by You can click off now. Or can I? Oh. Well, that's it, my nation. Signing